How to fix screen dimming in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, turn off adaptive brightness. Open setting, click on display. Now here you will see adaptive brightness, and if you want to turn off adaptive brightness, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, adaptive brightness will be turned off from your phone. Now go back. After that, turn off dark mode. Open setting, click on display, click on dark mode settings. Now turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off dark mode from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power off button icon. Click on restart. Again click on restart. Restart your phone. Now go back. After that, reset accessibility settings. Open setting. Scroll down. Click on general management. Scroll down. Click on reset. Scroll down. Click on reset accessibility settings. Click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, reset accessibility settings from your phone. This is how you can fix screen dimming in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.